Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're on an uphill slope, act now. With the parking brake engaged and the clutch down, shift into first gear and bring the engine to about 201, 500 RPM so the motor is ready to pull. Hold the foot brake so the car can't roll. This lets you find the clutch's biting point without movement. Once you feel the bite, a subtle lift and engine load, keep the clutch steady and prepare to release the handbrake while maintaining that bite. Now balance what's holding the car. Keep the clutch at its biting point and gently add throttle. You're supplying torque while the clutch carries load. As you increase throttle to roughly 502,000 RPM, release the foot brake so the car feels the pull forward. Then, lower the parking brake slowly, do it in small steps, while you maintain that clutch bite and steady revs. If the car hesitates, add a touch more gas and stabilize the clutch to prevent stalling or jerking. Once the car starts to move uphill, continue to raise the clutch smoothly until it's fully released and progressively increase throttle to gain speed. Make a clean upshift to second when RPMs are appropriate to avoid lugging. As you clear the slope, check mirrors and steer as needed. If the engine stalls or the car rolls back, immediately set the parking brake, hold the clutch, restart the procedure calmly, and use slightly more throttle at the bite point.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.